And here come the Reggae Boys again. Reed makes it 2 in a flash. How's that for a 1-2 punch? Cephas, a burst of pace into the penalty area, plays it across, and there's the number 3. Touched home by Shamor Nicholson. And the Reggae Boys are feeling the flavor in Kingston tonight. Brilliant run here from Richards. Still Richards. Oh, he goes all the way and he scores! How about that? Jawan Richards comes on as a substitute and makes it 4-0 to Jamaica. Now they tried to stop him. Jawan Richards, he's just kept on going. The ricochet came right back to him off of Carpenter.